Ever wonder exactly how much time you've been putting into your roofing jobs? We all want to finish multiple jobs in a day, but it's not always feasible. Knowing how long a job typically takes can help you budget your time more effectively. The time needed for a project varies from property to property. Many factors and unforeseeable events can influence the timeline. Here's how you can estimate your roofing job timelines and prepare in advance. On average, a North American house roof can be replaced in 1 to 3 days. But what can impact this timeline? First, the type of job. A simple repair won't take as long as a full replacement, especially if there's water damage or rotted sheathing. The crew's experience and size matter too. A well-coordinated, experienced team can work faster and more efficiently than a new or smaller crew. Roof accessibility plays a big role. Easy access means faster completion. Homes with extensive landscaping or in small communities can slow things down. Roofing materials also affect the timeline. For example, asphalt shingles might take 1 to 2 days, while concrete tiles can take up to 9 days. Availability of materials can delay the start, but not necessarily the actual replacement time. Weather is a critical factor. Wet sheathing and rain can delay work, so plan around weather forecasts to avoid setbacks. Roofers typically work 6 to 12 hours a day, sometimes longer or on weekends to meet deadlines, sometimes shorter when the days are too hot in southern climates. Managing a roofing business involves more than just the physical work. Homeowner communication, invoicing, customer updates, marketing, and lead follow-ups are essential. This is where roofing software like Roofr comes in. It streamlines everything from estimating and bidding to project management and invoicing. Digital roof measurement tools save time on inspections, and lead capturing tools help you quickly gather customer info. Project management features keep you organized, and invoicing software ensures timely payments. Here's a streamlined timeline with Roofr. A customer fills out an instant estimator for a quote. You receive the lead info and contact the customer within a day. Perform a digital measurement, create a proposal, and send it within a day. After the proposal is signed, secure permits, order materials, and schedule the crew. Replace the roof in 1 to 3 days. Customer pays online upon completion. Follow up for review and confirm payment. Roofr is built for roofers by roofers. I highly recommend you book a demo and see how Roofr can help you work smarter and save time on administration work. Simplify your roofing business with Roofr. Visit our website to learn more. Radford out.